Hi, I'm Brandy, and welcome to The Brightness Build. This is where we take a deserving couple or family and we transform their space into something beautiful that they can enjoy for a very long time to come. The entire point of The Brightness Build is to bring a little joy and light into someone's life, and hopefully it'll bring a little light into yours as well. Follow along. This whole process took us about 2 days to transform their space. I found a couple DIYers who were willing to help me out in this entire process, and it only took us about 2 to 3 days to completely transform their space. I'm so excited to show you how it went. Come along and let me show you how. Right off the bat, I want to say 2020, it sucked. It was so hard, and it was so hard for so many people and in so many different ways. There was a lot of pain and anguish and just anger and hurt in the world, and it's not gone. It's just been here a little more magnified for the last year. And every time I logged into social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, whatever it was, I feel like I was just slapped in the face by negativity. And looking back, honestly, my family, we were mostly blessed. And as I've been kind of processing the year and what has happened, I was talking to my husband, and I really decided that I wanted to do something in order to bring back some light into this negativity, into this world that's been through so much, even if it was just for one person. And I was talking to some great DIY friends that I have, and we had the idea to do the brightness builds, where we pick a deserving individual, couple, family, that we can go redo a space and just lighten up their life just a little bit. So we put a call to action out there on all of our social media accounts and asked people to nominate someone that they knew who had been through something really difficult. And that is how we found Kaya and McKelly. They are such a great couple, and they have been through so much in a short amount of time. Kaya has conversion disorder, which is a disconnect between the brain and your motor functioning ability. I know that it affects people in different ways, but for her, she lost all ability to talk, eat, walk, basic motor functioning, gone. So over the year, her husband was taking care of her, and she underwent a lot of physical therapy. And honestly, she's mostly recovered a lot of her motor functioning at this point. But she's still going in to see doctors. It's still a risk every day. Seizures could happen at any time, and they've kind of just changed the way they live. But when they were nominated, I received a video about her and how she felt when she was first diagnosed. And I actually have a video here. You guys can go watch that exact same video. That was their nomination video. And what really touched me about this particular couple was how bright and light she was, even in the midst of her difficulties. She still was exuberant and happy and really wanting to touch other people. And one thing that she said in that video was, "Different is good," which I loved. She was having a hard time not being able to walk and getting looks from people in public places. And she said she did a lot of thinking, and she came out wanting to tell people all around that it's okay to be different, it's okay to go through what you're going through, and it's okay to be you. And that touched my heart and my friends' hearts, and we decided we really wanted to bring a little joy and brightness back to this cute couple. So we are heading to their house. We're gonna be redoing their space, and we couldn't be more excited about the entire process. Different is good, it's okay to be you, and it's okay to bring brightness back in a world that's full of pain.
Welcome home to Smart Healthy Green Living,
a brand new home and garden streaming service.
From DIY and home improvement to gardening and landscaping, you'll find it all.
We're about smarter, healthier, and greener homes and having fun along the way.
So join us on Smart Healthy Green Living, download the app, and start streaming today. Okay, today is the day. I'm packing up my car, grabbing everything I can think of that I might need. They're about 30 to 45 minutes away from my house, so loading everything up, and I'm gonna head to their house to start the process. I'm so nervous. I'm like, so nervous because I have all this designed and ready to go. She's never seen any of the designs or any of the things that I've built for her. She has no idea. She sent me kind of a Pinterest idea board, and that's what I'm basing all of this off of. So I have my fingers crossed that she likes what we do. So anyway, come with me, let's go.
Hey guys, my name is Bong, and I worked with Brandy before on a previous charity build. So when she asked me to do this again with her, I of course had to say yes. And I'm so thankful that we're able to give this to Kaya and to Mookie, and we're just so lucky to be a part of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Krista. I am a builder by trade, and building's my favorite thing to do. But when Brandy asked me to be a part of her brightness build, it dawned on me that building with a passion is even better when you're building with a purpose.
Hey everyone, my name is Denise, and I am so happy I got to be a part of the brightness build. I love to DIY, I love to hike, I'm a registered nurse, I love spending time with my family, I just love being in the outdoors. I love gardening. There's so many things that I enjoy that I find that as I learn more things, I just want to keep going.
Hey guys, it's Laura from Naptime Crafts. You can find me on Instagram, you can also find me on TikTok. One of my 2021 goals, and from here on out, is to serve more. And when I heard that she was going to do this, I just had to jump on the opportunity, because to me, serving others is the best way to show that you love your community and your family and your friends.
What I really love about this space is that it's bright and cheerful and perfect for gathering and connecting as a family. The gorgeous floral wallpaper from Indigo Design, the boho style casual rug, and all the small details that bring it all together. I know Kaya will love connecting with her family and friends again in this amazing space. At the end of the day, everyone deserves a retreat where they can rest and refresh. This is especially important for Kaya too, as she continues her recovery and gets the rest that she needs for her body to stay healthy and get strong again. The details in this room are striking, yet incredibly simple and DIY friendly. From the wood slatted headboard to the graphic navy wallpaper, everything about this room says come and hibernate for the evening and get some rest. I couldn't have asked for a better place to rest my head at the end of the day.
Oh, I'm already crying.
She's still crying. It looks so different.
I love her sign. Oh my gosh. My gosh, that is so nice.
They made it that night and had it shipped overnight, and it got here while we were doing it.
Stop.
Isn't that amazing?
That is so beautiful. This is like my dream.
Now you can't ever leave this house.
I know. I sleep in the kitchen. Oh,
You'll love
oh my gosh, that's so
That was handmade by Krista.
That is awesome. We kept your other one. It's so good. I love this. Okay. I love this. Mustard is like one of my favorite colors. Is it not? Is it not? I love this. I'm glad. This is so awesome.
Oh yeah, Brandy made that too.
Oh my gosh, you fixed the fan. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this our room? Is this our room? Oh my gosh. No way. No way. No way. This is crazy. This is so crazy.
So Bong and Denise did all the wallpaper, and then you did the backboard. So we took your headboard off.
Yes, as you should have done that. Yes.
We weren't able to fix the bed because we ran out of time, and we just ran out of time.
No.
But the back, that's supposed to be the new back headboard for you.
That is amazing.
And then we hung these in front of the closet. They are a little finicky sometimes, but
That's
it gives
amazing.
you a little more room to walk.
That's amazing. Oh my heck.
And then I have to point out, this is from a follower, these little jewelry holders.
Oh my gosh.
They came from someone.
I kid you not, I was thinking the other day I need something for my necklaces.
Really?
Oh my
There's
god!
There's one more that's in your nightstand, so you can put it below
That
if
is
you want.
inspired. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, we're so cool. Stop it!
Oh, we need to show you the curtains or the shades.
Oh yes.
That is so cool.
So Moogie, we know you sleep during the day.
Yes, he does. Yeah, he worked last
He's
night.
like, I'm really tired right now.
No, are you
So,
kidding me?
Over
That's so
here,
cool.
you can pull down. Those are hopefully light canceling.
They're blackout.
Blackout, and you just pull down, and then hood.
Oh
Kind of.
my gosh!
And they're
Hopefully that
just
will help you.
yeah, we're hoping that will.
Yeah.
That is so cool!
I know, I heard that. I was like, oh, it's like his timeout. Real
That's
quick.
so cool!
Get in there. I don't want to see you.
Right? I know. I just like get a pillow and go hide away. We have like a grown-up room. This is so crazy. I love this. Good. And I would have never thought like navy. Like
We were
blue.
kind of like, how's this gonna go?
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Good, I'm so glad.
I can't even. You guys are so awesome.
We deserve the space.
You're awesome. And the husband, oh.
He did paint a little bit, huh, honey? He
Oh,
painted
he did.
everything. All the white slats
And,
downstairs.
like the painting job is so good.